So first step, if I go inside my left building, I see I have the building here. So with the proper screen and some chicken and elements inside. With the elements I've created so 3 parts. First is the small panel, second is the big screen, and last the wire mask. So if I go inside each of them, I have the panel itself, which is the mask of the panel. I have the animation of the chicken and the smoke, which I recreate in order to animate it, and I ask a mask, which I could have created just here, but I'm a bit lazy, so I prepared it. Will be using for the animation of the appearance. So let's begin with the small panel. So first step on this first panel is to create the Y part of the chicken and the cup and the smoke here. So in order to do that, I've created a small mask, big mask actually here, which I will animate. So I create a peg, plug it on it, and let's remember where the camera begins. Oops. Well, actually, I just deleted all my cameras, but I will do it again. So let's say it's from here. I know it was the first one, so yeah. Let's say it's from here. I made a mistake. Whatever. So in my small panel, let's say it is from here. I've created a keyframe because I'm in animate here, and let's reduce to here. Okay, and let's say I want the elements to be seen only inside my mask. So if the mask goes on, it will reveal. So I want to invert, of course, because I want it to disappear. So here it is. My elements are seen only outside the mask. What I want to do is that I want to, as I did here, to change the line on the mask. So I will go to the sapphire and use another effect to change the line here. So I will use, for instance, an harmony effect, which is the turbulence I already used previously, and I will go inside my element and change the turbulence itself. So let's increase the amount and the frequency. So here you see that the turbulence is in. I increase the complexity so the details inside can be like this too, and then I would add a really small blur, so 0.02. Okay, so now my chicken and ball disappear with this turbulence. Okay, next step is I want to create the lights, so I will use the same effects but mask with itself. So actually not really itself, but I create a second one with the apply peg transformation. If I linked it here, you can see like this. I create a peg which I link to my apply peg, remove this, put it down. Okay, and now what I know is that I have this element. If I linked it here, I will see I have my black mask here, and itself, if I change the color with where is it? A matte blur here. As you can see, I get the black here under, and here is the white one. So what I want to see is the black minus the white. So I will combine with another cutter and say I want to see the black with the turbulence and the blur seen outside the white, and let's say it is like this. Okay, and then I will add the same turbulence effect. Okay, so let's say we'll do this line, and let's increase a bit the amount and say it will be a bit smaller. So okay, and what I want this to be seen inside the element and only on the element. So I get two choices. One is to cut it with the element itself, or I can choose to do the opposite so that my chicken will be seen only inside this element. I will choose this because as I want to add a glow, will be better on the element's original color. So I choose a glow. I change the color for it to be something like this, reduce a bit. Okay, and oh, it's a bit too much. Oh, still too much. Okay, let's say this is okay to me. And then, oh, extra, oops. Control Z. Okay, so I have the blur here and my elements are moving properly. And now I will use another sapphire effect, which is in the lightning and is called S rays. I will use the rays, and the rays are locked to the camera position. So as I am here, let's say it will be -5, and let's say -8. Increase the length, the brightness really a lot. Oh, and okay, this looks okay, except the origin is too far from the element. I've touched the mic. So minus. Okay, so what I want to do is to animate this. So let's go here on the S ray, press F6 plus to open it, and I have the key here, and I'll go to my last frame. Okay, press F6 again. Okay, here on my S ray, F6. Okay. So let's see how it is. Oh, it is really too up, of course, because here I didn't manage to scroll it down. So scroll it to okay. Higher, lower. Okay. Let's say this is okay. Okay, and I will just decrease a bit this to say 0.55 and might increase the brightness to 10. Okay, so here it is for my chicken and cup on this small panel. And now we'll do the wires.